Have you ever finished a healthy, balanced meal only to look down 20 minutes later and feel like your stomach expanded by 2 full sizes? It's that distinct, uncomfortable tightness. You aren't just full, you feel like there is an expanding balloon trapped right underneath your rib cage. And the most exhausting part is that it makes you start fearing normal, everyday food. You end up constantly asking yourself, was it the avocado? Was it the fiber in the salad? Why does my body react with severe distension to clean whole foods? If you have been relying on over-the-counter antacids, random fiber powders, or popping digestive enzymes like candy, you already know the frustrating reality. They usually just mask the feeling for an hour or 2 hours, while the underlying root cause remains completely untouched. Today, we are taking an authoritative deep dive into a plant-based combination that approaches post-meal bloating and gas from a clinical, biochemical perspective. High-Potency Oregano Oil paired with high-potency MCT Oil. In health and wellness, authority and evidence matter. We aren't here to discuss vague social media trends today. Over the next 10 minutes, we are unpacking the published clinical trials, the specific physiological mechanisms, and the peer-reviewed gastroenterology research behind why this pairing works within your gastrointestinal tract, how to implement it safely in a structured 30-day routine, and the critical daily mistakes that ruin results. To solve chronic bloating, you first have to understand the clinical biomechanics behind it. Your digestive system operates as a closely regulated conveyor belt. When you consume food, stomach acid initiates protein breakdown, your liver and gallbladder synthesize bile to emulsify fats, and pancreatic enzymes break down complex carbohydrates. Throughout this entire digestive transit, trillions of microorganisms, your gut microbiome, interact with your mucosal barrier to digest residue and maintain immunological balance. When gastrointestinal motility is optimal, gas is a minimal, temporary byproduct that diffuses or passes naturally. However, when motility slows down, a state clinically known as intestinal hypomotility, or when the microbial populations of the small intestine shift, food residue remains stagnant in your tract far longer than it should. When unabsorbed carbohydrates and proteins sit in a warm, low-oxygen digestive environment, opportunistic bacteria begin to rapidly ferment them. In gastroenterology, this process releases high volumes of metabolic gases, including hydrogen, carbon dioxide, and methane. Because motility is impaired, those gases become physically trapped within the anatomical folds of your small and large intestines. The result is clinical abdominal distension, elevated intra-abdominal pressure, visceral hypersensitivity, and that heavy, painful tightness that ruins your day. This isn't simply having gas, it is a direct biological signal of dysbiosis and stagnant intestinal transit. This brings us to our targeted intervention: high-potency oregano oil combined with high-potency MCT oil. If this is the first time you are learning about the actual molecular science behind this gut protocol, instead of just hearing vague marketing hype from commercial supplement brands, please take a moment to hit the like button. It helps this evidence-based information bypass the mainstream algorithm and reach more adults worldwide who are genuinely tired of wasting money on short-term bloating fixes. And make sure to hit that subscribe button right now so you never miss a deep dive health and wellness breakdown. Also, for those who want the full written guide with exact daily routines, dosages, and additional botanical protocols, we have put together a comprehensive, easy-to-follow gut wellness protocol guide. You can access the protocol guide link right down in the video description below to keep as your step-by-step reference guide. Now, why is this specific pairing backed by scientific and gastroenterology research? Let's examine the clinical evidence. Wild oregano, known botanically as Oreganum vulgare, contains high concentrations of volatile monoterpenic phenols, specifically carvacrol and thymol. When looking at the scientific literature, one of the landmark human clinical trials evaluated botanical antimicrobials for intestinal microbial overgrowth. In a milestone, multi-center study led by Dr. Victor Chadid and published in Global Advances in Health and Medicine, researchers at Johns Hopkins University tested herbal preparations containing oregano oil against standard pharmaceutical therapy in patients with small intestinal bacterial overgrowth, or SIBO. The researchers discovered that targeted herbal protocols were as clinically effective as the standard pharmaceutical antibiotic rifaximin in resolving bacterial overgrowth and resolving gas-producing dysbiosis. Biochemically, as published in Frontiers in Pharmacology, carvacrol and thymol act by disrupting the hydrophobic lipid bilayer of pathogenic bacterial cell membranes. This increases cell membrane permeability, causing structural cell lysis of gas-producing microbes without destroying the underlying intestinal architecture when properly administered. Furthermore, these phenolic compounds demonstrate antispasmodic effects, helping relax GI smooth muscle tissue to relieve visceral cramping. However, clinical researchers highlight a major obstacle. Pure, concentrated oregano oil is volatile and caustic. Administering raw oregano oil directly can cause chemical irritation to the esophageal lining, localized gastric inflammation, and severe mucosal burn. This is precisely why botanical science demands pairing it with high-potency medium-chain triglyceride oil, or MCT oil. MCTs are lipid compounds composed primarily of caprylic acid, known as C8, and capric acid, known as C10. In gastroenterology, MCT oil serves two critical, evidence-based functions in this protocol. First, MCT oil acts as a hydrophobic lipid carrier. By dissolving the volatile phenols of oregano oil into medium-chain fatty acids, it encapsulates the active compounds carvacrol and thymol. This allows the mixture to pass smoothly through the stomach and gastric mucosal lining without triggering focal tissue irritation. Second, MCTs possess a unique metabolic absorption pathway. Research published in the British Journal of Pharmacology demonstrates that unlike long-chain triglycerides found in standard cooking oils, which require heavy pancreatic lipase and bile salts for digestion, MCTs bypass complex micellar intestinal digestion. They are rapidly absorbed across the enterocytes into the portal vein. Additionally, studies in mucosal immunology show that caprylic acid in MCT oil helps suppress key pro-inflammatory cytokines, such as interleukin-8 within intestinal epithelial cells. By pairing MCT oil with oregano oil, you create a bioavailable mucosal-protective delivery system. The MCT oil protects the stomach and intestinal mucosa while enabling oregano oil to directly target the bacterial overgrowth responsible for excessive fermentation. Now, let's translate this biochemistry into practical application. Knowing the science is vital, but executing the protocol correctly is what yields results. Long-term digestive rehabilitation requires structured consistency over a continuous period rather than constantly changing protocols. Here is the exact daily structure. First, precision morning dosing. Take your high-potency oregano oil paired with MCT oil strictly according to the product's label directions. Ensure that the oregano oil is properly emulsified within a liquid MCT base or encapsulated in an enteric-coated soft gel designed to bypass gastric acid and release in the intestine. Second, mandatory meal co-administration. Never consume high-potency volatile botanicals on a completely empty stomach. Administer your dose alongside a balanced morning meal containing clean proteins and whole food fats. Co-ingestion buffers gastric acid secretion, optimizes lipid carrier dispersion, and prevents gastric warmness. Third, systematic hydration. Hydration is a non-negotiable physiological requirement of this protocol. You must maintain consistent water intake throughout the day. Adequate hydration supports renal clearance of bacterial metabolic byproducts as microbial populations shift, while maintaining mucosal hydration to keep bowel transit moving. Fourth, evening protocol. If your specific product label indicates a twice-daily administration, repeat the process alongside your evening meal. Otherwise, maintain a single daily morning protocol. Important medical safety guidelines. Always adhere strictly to label dosing guidelines. If you are pregnant, nursing, taking anticoagulant medications, managing blood sugar disorders, or diagnosed with active inflammatory bowel disease like Crohn's or ulcerative colitis, consult your gastroenterologist or physician before initiating concentrated botanical protocols. Restoring gastrointestinal function is a biological process that follows a distinct clinical timeline. During days 1 through 3, your GI tract begins adapting to the monoterpenic phenols. When paired correctly with meals and structured hydration, most individuals notice an immediate reduction in post-meal stomach heaviness. Through weeks 1 and 2, as carvacrol and thymol reduce fermentative bacteria in the small intestine, intra-abdominal gas production drops significantly. The frequency of visible abdominal distension, sharp trapped wind, and postprandial tightness decreases as intestinal motility stabilizes. Across weeks 3 through 4, by maintaining one consistent protocol for 30 days, the mucosal environment stabilizes and microbial balance normalizes. This provides predictable, comfortable digestion, allowing you to eat normal whole foods without the fear of sudden bloating. Stop hopping between different supplements every 4 days. Commit to a single, scientifically validated protocol. Support it with proper meal timing and hydration, and give your body the time required to reestablish digestive balance. I want to hear from you down below. Whether you're watching this from Los Angeles, London, Sydney, or anywhere else in the world, have you ever experimented with oregano oil and MCT oil? Or have you been stuck in the endless loop of buying expensive, ineffective digestive enzymes and antacids? Drop your personal experiences, your struggles, or your questions in the comments below. Click that like button if this breakdown gave you a completely new, evidence-based outlook on achieving pristine gut health. Grab your copy of the 30-day system for better digestion, less bloating, and healthier gut protocol guide using the link in the description below. And remember to subscribe for more honest, no-nonsense wellness strategies. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in the very next video.